Today's CNC machining centers are bigger, faster, and yeah, way more expensive than a 1950s knee mill. But until now, the vices used in them were mostly an adaptation. Inspired by customer input, Chick went back to the drawing board to design the One-Lock CNC Vise. The One-Lock is the single-station vise, reimagined for use in the high-speed, tight-tolerance, every second counts CNC work environment. The One-Lock has a completely sealed, flame-hardened cast iron base. The solid working surface prevents chip buildup to save you time and aggravation. The One-Lock's bolt-fast jaw system eliminated the need for those knuckle-busting socket head cap screws. On a One-Lock, you change jaws with the turn of a T-wrench. And the system is more than just fast. Repeatability is effortless and remarkably precise. Hard jaws come standard, and bolt-fast accessories include soft jaws and step jaws, as well as outboard jaws for extended holding capacity. Have a lot of traditional jaws on the shelf already? No problem. With a bolt-fast spacer set, you can use those jaws on a One-Lock too. With a One-Lock, you can go from full open to closed in seconds. With the One-Lock Quick Slide movable jaw, you simply disengage, slide, re-engage, and clamp your part with just a few turns of the handle. The One-Lock uses a unique squeeze clamping design that allows up to 10,000 pounds of holding force with virtually no jaw deflection. The One-Lock mounts with toe clamps for maximum versatility in the Y-axis. For part placement, One-Lock accessories include a new kind of work stop, mounted left or right. Either way, it's easy to use. The One-Lock delivers dramatic improvements in speed, precision, and versatility. Its unique CNC design will help you save time, simplify accuracy, make more parts with less frustration, and boost profitability.